Chinky, Puntun Kids Games has been launched now. Wow, I also want to play now. Hurry up and go to Play Store and download Puntun Kids Games. I'm also downloading it. You also download it quickly and start the fun. Link is in the description.
Ram Mandir. Gattu and Chinky came home from school and told Mummy that they had a holiday the next day on the occasion of Ram Navami.
Mummy, we have a holiday tomorrow. I will get bored, I'm sure. Yes, Mummy. Can we go somewhere just to chill?
Gattu, Chinky and Mummy were talking about it when Gattu, Chinky's aunt, came over to their home.
Namaste, Auntie. Namaste, my dear. How are you guys? We are absolutely fine. What about you? I am also good. Chinky, see, I have prepared your favorite sweets. Take this. Oh, it's your special laddu. Thank you, Auntie. We love these laddus. I am very glad to see you. Kids miss you and often talk about you. You are planning to stay longer this time, right? Oh, no. I'm sorry, but I can stay only for one day. Tomorrow is Ram Navami and tomorrow I am going to visit Ram Mandir. Really? This is very nice. To be able to see Ram Lala on Ram Navami, it's a very good idea.
Hearing this, Gattu and Chinky asked their mother.
Mummy, can we also go to visit Ram Mandir to see Ram Lala? We even have a holiday tomorrow. Please, Mummy, please. Yes, Mummy. I also want to go with Auntie and visit Ram Mandir. Oh dear, if the kids are insisting so much, then why don't you also come with me? It will be best to celebrate Ram Navami in Ram Mandir itself. I also want to go there. Alright, we will talk to your father after he comes home. Is that okay, kids? Okay, Mummy.
In the evening after the discussion, it was decided that they would go with the auntie to Ram Mandir to see Ram Lala. The next day, they got ready early in the morning and started the journey. Gattu and Chinky were happy when they reached Ayodhya. So kids, first of all we will bathe in the Saryu river and then go to see Ram Lala.
Okay, Papa.
Then all of them bathe in the Saryu river and after changing their clothes, they go to the temple.
Chinky, the water of the river was so cold, right? Yes, Gattu. But it feels good after taking a bath in the river.
Gattu, Chinky, look over there. There are so many stalls set up. Come, let's go and see what they are selling.
Okay, Papa.
After going there, Gattu and Chinky saw that many stalls were selling traditional clothes. And Gattu, Chinky were happy to see these kinds of clothes.
Wow, these clothes are awesome, Papa. Papa, let's buy these clothes for all of us. Then we can get ready in a traditional way.
Okay, Gattu, let's buy clothes for everyone. Then Papa and Gattu wore the traditional dhotis, whereas Mummy and Auntie wore beautiful saris. Mummy even bought a little sari for Chinky and helped her to wear it.
Wow, all are looking so good in these dresses. And Chinky, you are also looking amazing in this sari. Thank you, Gattu. You are also looking very fine in this dhoti kurta.
We all are looking good in these traditional clothes. Come on, Gattu, Chinky. Now we should go to the temple and see Lord Ram. Then all of them went to visit Hanuman Garhi before going to Ram Mandir.
There are so many people here, Mummy, Papa. All of them have come to visit this place.
Yes, Gattu. Do you know? It is said that here, in this very temple, Lord Hanuman stays and protects Ayodhya city.
Is it really true, Papa? This is very interesting.
Yes, and hence we should always visit Hanuman Garhi before visiting Ram Mandir.
That means next we are going to see Ram Mandir. Am I correct? Yes, Gattu, Chinky, we should hurry up. We have yet to visit many other temples before the sun sets and then return home. Okay, Auntie. Okay, Auntie.
Then Gattu and Chinky went to visit Ram Mandir along with the elders. Everyone was mesmerized seeing the grand Ram Mandir. Many people were visiting the temple.
This temple of Lord Ram is marvelous, right, Mummy? And the ideal of Ram Lala is so beautiful. That's true, Chinky. I'm so glad that we came here. And Lord Ram is just about the age of you guys. You can ask anything what you want from him. He listens to everyone. Wow! Alright, Mummy. Wow, Mummy. The prasad that we got in Ram Mandir is also very delicious. You are right, Kattu. This prasad is really very tasty.
After having prasad, they visited all the other temples one by one. There were many temples like Kanak Bhavan Mandir, Nageshwarnath Mandir and Sita Ki Rasoi. Then they decided to sit for a while. Gattu and Chinky saw that there were many cute monkeys in Ayodhya.
Gattu, Chinky, you should be careful with your things, or else monkeys will take them. I'm actually very scared of them. Chinky, there's nothing to be scared of. Take these bananas. If you feed them bananas, they will become your friends. Surely, Mummy? Yes, take this. Mummy, I will also feed them. Alright, Gattu, take this.
Gattu and Chinky fed the bananas to some monkeys and they were having fun doing it. They also snapped many photos over there. Guys, see what have I got for you? This is Ayodhya's famous chaat and kheer. I'm sure you will like it.
Wow, Papa, this chaat and kheer is really very tasty. Yes, it's delicious. I must say, today was a wonderful day. Gattu, Chinky, it was nice that you guys decided to come with me. I am very glad that you are here. Auntie, we are also glad that we came with you. Yes, and we will visit this place again very soon. Right, Mommy, Papa?
Of course we will, Gattu Chinky. Now we should go back, but we will visit again very soon. After visiting Ram Mandir, everyone returned to their home. Taj Mahal trip. There is no fun in watching TV alone, as much as it is with friends. Because while watching, you can also have a lot of chit-chat and fun. Gattu Chinky were watching TV with their friends at home. So friends, now we will take you to the world of Indian monuments, where you will see amazing monuments like Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, Charminar from a close range. And you will also get to know many interesting facts about them. So stay with us on your favorite channel, iIndia. All the children were sitting with their eyes and ears open with attention towards the TV. And the program was just about to start when suddenly the screen of the TV went blank.
Oh no! Why the power cut has to happen now? Exactly. Such a good show was going on. We were getting a chance to see the Taj Mahal sitting at home. But this power cut spoiled it all.
In this way, the children were talking angrily. When Mom came,
What happened, kids? Why are you all angry? Mom, there was a great show on TV. They were about to show us the Indian monuments. The program didn't even started and the power cut happened. What's the point of being so upset about this? I can show you the monuments right now.
as soon as Dad came home in the evening, Mom said,
I think we should plan a trip to Taj Mahal with Gattu Chinky. What do you say?
Of course, why not? We will definitely go. I also have to meet with some clients from Delhi. From there, we will go to Agra and visit the Taj Mahal. When Gattu Chinky heard this conversation of Mom and Dad, they were on cloud 9. Then what? One day, sitting in a plane, Gattu Chinky left for Delhi with their parents. Everyone came to Delhi, took a private car from there and started moving towards Agra.
Wow, what a beautiful city Agra is.
Agra city is not only beautiful, but the Taj Mahal has made Agra even more beautiful. Whoever listened to this, their heart skips a beat.
Oh, poetry. Dad, why is the Taj Mahal considered to be one of the 7 wonders of the world?
I won't say anything. Now you see it with your own eyes. And as soon as Gattu Chinky stood in front of the Taj Mahal, their mind was blown away.
Oh wow! Wonderful! Beautiful! So nice! Seeing the beauty and shine of the Taj Mahal, I have become completely blank.
Gattu Chinky were watching one of the 7 wonders of the world. Standing on the banks of the Jamuna River, on a green land, a unique piece of marble captured in 4 beautiful minarets, Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is such a great architecture that everyone from all over the world comes to India with dream and desire of seeing it. Taj Mahal is pride of our country. Then Mom Dad hired a guide, and along with the guide, Gattu Chinky also started watching each and everything of the Taj Mahal very closely. The Taj Mahal was built by a ruler named Shah Jahan in the memory of his loving wife Mumtaz. Shah Jahan felt very sad when Mumtaz passed away. He built this monument to come out of misery. Inside he had also built the tomb of his wife. Whenever Shah Jahan used to see the Taj Mahal, he used to feel the presence of Mumtaz. In this way, the guide was explaining each and every corner of the Taj Mahal and its merits. If you look carefully, the Taj Mahal is a unique amalgamation of Hindustani, Islamic and Parsi art. The artisans have given a unique and very beautiful display of their craftsmanship. The imprinted designs on every wall, every corner and every marble is unique. Gattu Chinky, the marble that was brought for building the Taj Mahal was from Makrana, that is in our Rajasthan state. The marble stone from that place are nothing but diamonds. So the Taj Mahal has got its unique shine from those diamonds. Gattu Chinky were seeing the Taj Mahal for the first time. As soon as they entered the Taj Mahal, the beauty and the coolness inside it made them fall in love with it.
It is summer season, but yet how cold it is in here. Yes, there is no need of AC in here.
Truly, the craftsmen of that era had a great vision. Then Gattu Chinky along with Mom-Dad saw Queen Mumtaz and Shah Jahan's tomb. That means the main monument. After the demise of Queen Mumtaz, when Shah Jahan also passed away, then his tomb was also built in here near Mumtaz so that the memory of both could stay together. In this way, Gattu Chinky roamed around the entire Taj Mahal. After that, they came to the banks of Yamuna river and they saw the beautiful image of Taj Mahal in the water of the river. They did a lot of photo sessions from place to place, and around 5 o'clock, everyone sat in the car and went back to the hotel.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.